Hi, boys and girls. I'm glad you're joining me again. Boys and girls, all of your teachers miss you very much. We can't wait to see you again one day soon. Boys and girls, today we're going to talk about Writer's Workshop again. And as you know, we've been working on opinion writing. This is when you tell somebody how you feel about something. So to start, I actually want to go over our 5-star writing rubric. So when we first got done school, before the closure, we sent you home with a packet. And in that packet, there was a paper that looked like this. And it says 5-star writing on it. So I just want to go over those 5-star rules today and make sure that you are doing these rules at home when you're writing. So the first one says, a capital letter to start my sentence, just like in this example. So I see a dog. I is the first word. It starts with a capital letter. Our second star is punctuation at the end of my sentence. Okay, so it says, where is the dog? And they used a question mark. A question mark is a type of end mark, an end punctuation. So you could do a question mark if you're asking something, or a period if you're telling something. And if you're really excited about something, you can do an exclamation mark. Use finger spaces. So that's when you make sure that in between each word, when you finish a word, your finger can fit between it, between the end of the first word and the start of the next word. Use neat handwriting and phonemic spelling. So that means write nicely so somebody else could read it. And when you get to those tricky words, stretch them out. Write the sounds you hear. You have your sight word lists at home, so those words you can spell correctly because you can use the lists anytime you're writing. And my sentence makes sense. That means if you're reading it to someone or somebody's reading your sentence, it makes sense to them. You didn't skip any words. So boys and girls, let's go over the writing prompts that you're going to be working on this week for opinion writing. So today you're going to start with, my favorite vegetable is blank because blank. What vegetable do you like? Broccoli, carrots, celery, lettuce. Talk about what's your favorite vegetable. The next one is I do, or you can say I do not like rain because blank. So you can pick. If you like rain, you would say, I like rain because, but if you don't like rain, say, I do not like rain because blank. At recess, I like to blank because blank. And the last one for the week is going to be, my favorite fruit is blank because blank. So what fruit do you like? Watermelon, bananas, apples, pears, peaches, strawberries. There's lots of fruits out there. What's your favorite and why do you like it? Today, boys and girls, I'm going to show you my writing sample like I always do. But this time, I challenged myself a little bit, and I encourage you all to challenge yourself too. This time, I didn't just use one sentence. I used 2 sentences to tell you my reasons for the way I feel. Let's take a look at my sentence. All right, boys and girls, so here is my sentence for today, my opinion. It says, my favorite sport is soccer because you can score a goal. I was finished, so I put a period. I started with a capital, and I put finger spaces between each word as I wrote. I spelled my sight words like you, can, is, my, a. I spelled them correctly. And those tricky words I stretched out. But take a look at this. I didn't stop there. I added another sentence. I like soccer because you play on a team. That sentence was finished, so I put another period here. And I started that with a capital. I didn't forget to use that very important word in opinion writing. The word is because. And remember, we can sing that because song to help us remember. And it goes like this. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, U-S-E, U-S-E, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. So anytime I'm telling my reason, I can use the word because. Boys and girls, another thing I wanted to tell you was if you're running out of room in your journal because you're just writing so much, you can take a plain piece of paper like I did, like a printer paper or notebook paper. And if it's plain, you can draw the lines or have a grown-up draw the straight lines for you so you know where to write. And another way to do it, if your grown-up would like to make lines like this, that's great too. I've seen some families doing this way too. So just drawing a line at the top, a line at the bottom, and then a little dashed line in between. Okay, that's our plain line. Okay, so skyline, plain line, grass line, just the worm line's missing, and that's okay. All right, boys and girls, have a great time with your opinion writing, and we can't wait to see it. Don't forget to send pictures of it to your teachers. Have a great one, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye-bye.